How to remotely lock your lost or stolen device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, scroll down, you will see third option is Lost Device Protection. After click on Lost Device Protection, click on Theft Protection. After click on Theft and click on Remote Lock and make sure turn on Remote Lock, and you will see click on this link and enter your phone number. After enter your phone number and click on Lock Device. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remotely lock your lost or stolen device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.